Carbon monoxide is a gas in the air that you cannot see or smell. In fact, it cannot be detected by humans without the help of an alarm or detector. When I'm installing an ADT smart home security system, I talk to our customer about the importance of having a CO detectors in multiple areas of the house, especially near bedrooms, because at high levels, carbon monoxide can be deadly within minutes. I did an installation at the home of a coworker, installing the ADT carbon monoxide detectors. A few weeks later, I was surprised because he sent me an email thanking for saving his family member's life.
I got a call from the ADT Monitoring Center letting us know that the carbon monoxide detectors were going off. We have a few pets, so I was pretty concerned that they were home alone, so I went straight to the house. I arrived just as the first responders were arriving and was able to get the dogs out while they were investigating the cause. Apparently, the pool heater malfunctioned and gas was traveling through the soffits into the roof. It came into our attic and started to fill our house through the closet in our primary bedroom.
Carbon monoxide can come from everything that burns fuel. Having an ADT life safety device monitoring is the key. Had a CO detector gone off without anyone knowing, the Scott family pet could have gotten sick. I know the work I do every day helps save lives. I install the equipment correctly and give life safety advice to our customers.
My family is so thankful for Khyber's expertise, the quick response from ADT, and our fire department to help keep every member of our family safe.